Day for 2021.
Please welcome Ella Saltner for the Acknowledgement of Country.
I would like to acknowledge the Darwell people who are traditional custodians of this land. I would also like to pay my respect to the elders past and present of the Darwell Nation and extend that respect to other Aboriginal people present.
I would now like to call upon our principal, Mr. Wynne, to deliver the principal's address.
Okay, stage two, we're going to get the shortened version of my speech because I've already delivered it to the stage three assembly. But first and foremost, a warm welcome to our parents and extended family out in the virtual world. This assembly's obviously been videoed today, and to our very special teachers and fantastic students to our presentation day for 2021. Boys and girls, I'm just going to keep it short. And first and foremost, congratulations on what has been a very, very challenging year. I talked about that if 2020 threw us a curveball with the pandemic, well then 2021 they threw us a brick. So it was a lot more challenging than last year with the lockdown period and having to do learning at home. I'd like to take this opportunity to obviously thank my very hard-working staff and also to the support of our community and our parents, not just in lockdown period, but throughout all 2021. And I'd also like to congratulate and thank you, boys and girls, for your hard work and your efforts, not just during that lockdown period, as I said, but also at school and when we returned. Congratulations to the award recipients today. You've worked really, really, really hard and you should be proud of your efforts. To those students that may have missed out on an award today, there's always next year for you to continue being determined and showing those different character strengths which I talked about last week in our Gold Assembly, a bit of resilience and perseverance, a bit of teamwork, and just have a love of learning. Well done, boys and girls, and congratulations. Thank you.
Each classroom teacher has 5 awards to present today. Children called to the stage will receive a certificate and a medallion for their efforts. Hold your applause until all 5 class members are on stage. Mrs. Walsh, our assistant principal, will assist in the presentation of these awards. Would Mrs. Mills and Miss Fitzgerald like to begin with 2-3 Yellows awards?
Okay, 2-3 Yellow, our first award for excellence across all key learning areas. Aliana Ridgewell. For excellence across all key learning areas, Eva Collins. For consistent effort across all key learning areas, Chloe Simsick. For class citizenship, Ella Saltner. And for improvement in writing, Vlad Casimir. Congratulations, and please give them a big round of applause. Okay, next we have 3 Blue. For excellence across all key learning areas, Andrew Zhu. For excellence across all key learning areas, Claire Zhu. For class citizenship, Georgia Belagianis. For consistent effort across all key learning areas, Logan McKinley. And for consistent effort to improve and positive attitude towards learning, Chloe Maxwell. Congratulations, and please give them a big round of applause. Now for 3-4 red. For excellence across all key learning areas, Caitlin San. For excellence across all key learning areas, Ciara Bro. For class citizenship, Fletcher Nelson. For consistent effort across all key learning areas, Thomas Whiten. And for a positive attitude towards her learning, Caitlin Brennan. Congratulations, and a big round of applause, please.
Miss Vetkoski, our librarian, has worked with all classes this year. Her program has helped to develop the children's appreciation of quality literature. Miss Vetkoski has chosen one child per class for her library award.
For great participation in library, from 2-3 yellow, Ashley Zhu. From 3 blue, Lachlan Collins. And from 3-4 red, Emma Lockridge. Congratulations.
We are lucky to have Miss Fitzgerald and Miss Vetkovsky to provide support programs to our Stage 3 children. They have worked with these students either in the classroom, small groups, or individually. Welcome Miss Fitzgerald and Miss Vetkovsky to present their awards.
First of all, Mariah King from 2-3 Yellow for consistent effort in learning support. Ben Folan from 3 Blue for consistent effort in learning support. And Riley Goyen from 3-4 Red for consistent effort during learning support. Congratulations to these award winners.
Ms. Fitzgerald and Ms. Svetkowski have provided a quality RFF program this year. They have selected one child per class for their RFF award. Please welcome them to the stage to present the RFF awards.
Okay, first of all, Yusuf Atiani from 2-3 Yellow for consistent effort in RFF. Amreen Kaur Gill from 3 Blue, who is absent today. She's got the award for consistent effort in RFF as well. And from 3-4 Red, Maya Atiani for consistent effort in RFF. Congratulations to these award winners.
Our life skill program combines financial literacy with enterprise education. It is designed to teach students about financial matters in an appealing, hands-on way and enables them to enjoy learning about the real world in a stimulating environment with real demands and rewards. The Life Skills program provides opportunities for students to explore new ways of thinking, applying these ideas into action, develop leadership skills, and work as a member of a team. Students work in businesses during lunch and recess times and are paid in our school currency, buckaroos, each shift they attend. They then organise and manage stores or market day and auctions to sell their products trading in buckaroos. Would Miss Saw or Mr. Mori please come to the stage to present the Life Skill Awards?
Okay, we've got Xavier Pope for exceptional leadership and commitment in the Life Skills program. And Riley Goyen for exceptional leadership and commitment in the Life Skills program. Congratulations to these award winners.
At Reesby South, we are very lucky to have the opportunity to participate in many Peter will say sports. This year, we were fortunate to participate in rugby league, netball, and boys and girls football. Could Miss Fulton, Miss Fitzgerald, Miss Pinkara, and Mr. Murray please come to the stage to present the awards?
Okay, I'll start with netball. Joyce Kalapuyu for Junior B Netball Most Valuable Player. Riley Goyen for Junior A Netball Most Valuable Player. Ella Saltner for Junior B Netball Most Valuable Player. Giorgio Bellagianis for Junior B Netball Most Improved Player. Vienna Liu for Junior B Netball Most Improved Player. And Mariah King for Junior Girls Football Most Improved Player. Congratulations to these award winners.
Each year, our school runs 3 major carnivals in sport: swimming, cross country, and athletics. This year, we were able to run our swimming and cross country carnivals. Could Mrs. Fullerton and Mrs. Korkidis come to the stage to present these awards?
I only have one award to hand out. All the other awards were handed out in the the stage 3 assembly this morning. This is for the junior girls cross country age champion. And before I call out her name, I know she probably knows who she is. I'd just like to acknowledge that she actually made it to state level in cross country when we went to regional. And unfortunately, due to lockdown and everything, the carnival never ran. So hopefully next year she'll get that opportunity to do it again. So that's for Caitlin Brennan.
We will now come to the part of the Sports Awards where we recognise those students who have demonstrated excellent sportsmanship and effort in school sport. Would Mr. Morey please come and present these awards?
Okay, for the School Sports Award, the K-2 girl, Kenzie Smith. K-2 boys, School Sports Award, Jackson Wise. And the 3-4 boys, School Sports Award goes to Safwan Ridwan. Congratulations to these award winners.
Please welcome our principal, Mr. Whitten, to announce the winning sport house for 2021.
Okay, so the winning house for 2021 was Jackson. So the Jackson sports captains already received the Perpetual Award at the last assembly, but if you are in Jackson, congratulations, well done.
Earlier today at the Stage 3 presentation day, the 2022 school captains and sport captains were announced. Please welcome Mr. Whitten to the stage to introduce you to our 2022 school leaders.
Thank you, Ryoma. Yes, so only probably about half an hour ago, boys and girls, our leaders for 2022 were announced. And their parents were able to come and join us for that assembly, which was very special. But we didn't want you guys to miss out, so we're going to announce them again for you guys so that you can see who your sports captains and vice captains are for next year. So I'm going to announce the sports captains first, and when our leaders hear their name, could you please come forward and join us on the stage. From Jackson House, Scarlett Nash and Sienna Nolasco. From Taylor House, Lachlan Wise and Hayley McFarlane. From Laver, Andrew Belogiannis and Alicia Crosby. From Fraser, Vincent Lee and Serene Nasrallah. get you guys to shuffle down, please. Just a little, thank you. Our vice captains for 2022, Samuel Lindsay and Caitlin Ridgewell. Paulie Kolopea and Ella Papadimitropoulos. And our school captains for 2022 is Stella Dalziel and Luca Broadbent. So please join me in welcoming and congratulating our 2022 leaders. Thank you. And I'm sure it was just exciting for them again, being announced for a second time. And probably again tomorrow. So well done. Congratulations, guys. Thank you.
That concludes our Stage 2 presentation ceremony for 2021. To the parents and friends, thank you for helping us to celebrate our achievements this year. We wish you all a wonderful Christmas and a happy and safe holiday. Boys and girls, please listen to your teacher.